That's a fresh car. That's not 22 there. Yeah, that's a fresh car.
Okay, where are you going?
Oh, is he?
No, there's over there.
Oh, yeah.
Race in the picture. Are you ready? Here we go. On the count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
Come on, John. Get him, John. Whoa! Get him, John. Let's go! Oh no! Oh!
He's hit good, right through it.
That's your car!
I know it is.
Yeah, he's out.
Can't hardly see where they're going.
Put him in the wall! Put him in the wall! Keep him there! Put him in the wall! Put him in the wall! Get him! Here he comes! Get him in the wall! Boom! Oh, he missed. Oh, you're not doing that. Throw yourself in the wall. They're hooked up right there. There you go. Well, that's all it is mud out there. There he goes. Put him in the wall. Oh, he got loose. Yeah. Him over there, 22. Oh, rain coming down now. Cool him down. The little engines need a little bit of rain. He's still moving over there. He's out. Yeah. Get him! Get him! Like it's pouring down rain. It ain't so much traction. He won. Your winner, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the rain. Look at this rain. YouTube, look at all this rain. There's a downpour. They might, I don't know what they're gonna do. Boy, she's raining good now. I don't know if they'll run it like this.